On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Oh, welcome back to Toronto. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Alex O, Crypto here, full of energy, fully rested, fully anticipating you guys to be here, to be clear, touching grass, hanging out. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys. My guys, we're back in action. Alex O Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang, 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 gang. Boom, 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 boom. When the night boom, boom has come, boom, 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 boom. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. Oh my God, let's start from the top. Rokinos, Luke Zaldana, Zep PP. What's going on? Alexandra G. Slam Banjo. What's going on? Keto RXD to all the queens in the Otter Gang. Lloyd Rogers, Spencer, Scott. What's going on? Oh my God. Yoda's here. Yoda. What's going on, Luke? Oh man, B Team Crypto, Nick Musgraves, the mods. Guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart for holding down the Discord, holding down the Otter Gang. Kyle from Invest to Share. Tony Soprano, what's going on, man? You got some German for me to read, man? I haven't practiced in a while. Steve H, Mr. Brewberry, thank you so much, man. Oh, man. Walsh Jesse, what's going on? Man, you guys have held it down. Sheesh. Can I retire yet? Can I just trade? Or do I got to continue yelling at people on a box? I don't mind, because we want to grow. So if you're new here, welcome. Seymour Liddy, what's going on? Tony Soprano, man. My God. You guys warm my heart. It's good to see you all. Thank you guys so much for holding down the channel, the Discord, all of that stuff, man. All of that stuff. Yell, please. Okay, we can talk quietly. We can do some ASMR trading. Okay? We are going to press buy, and we are going to press sell. Nah, come on. We're here to wake up the neighborhood. We're here to make money. So if you're new here, welcome. Join us in the free Discord. Links in the description below. That's where all the alpha is. I just come on here to yell at you guys all the time, and maybe now and then give you guys some pure alpha. Oh, man. We're back. What's with these blue and purple and orange candles? But before we do that, my friends, before we do that, I had to. As soon as I got home, I had to come through for you guys. So he's in the back garden. And he's just doing his thing, you know? He's just doing his thing. And I was like, hey, no. What's going on, man? What's going on? No, you got to tell me what's going on. They need to know. Now that I'm back, they need to know again.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been saying, where's No? Where's No? I haven't seen No in forever. They need to know which way the price is going to go. Up?
Yes.
You think? Or down?
I think so.
Yeah.
It
Okay.
has to be. Yeah.
Okay. There you heard it. Sky high.
Sky high. Yeah.
They need to know. Now that I'm back, they need to know again. The call
Yeah,
is
they've
in.
been saying, where's No?
You
No?
guys
Where's
heard it
No?
here
No? I haven't
first.
seen No.
No, he knows. He was actually checking the tomato plants today. Oh, Madonna. And they're looking a bit dry, but, you know, I'm here to help. So hopefully we can get them back to revival mode on on the tomato plants. You know what I mean? So, guys, what's been going on? Like, I leave for a week, and you guys, did you guys have, first of all, put a one in the chat if you had a good week last week. I just want to know. I'm just curious, okay? Also, I feel like it was very choppy last week. If I go all the way here, last week looks you guys had a good week. You guys are spoiled, man. You guys are spoiled. What are you guys up to, man? Going over to the Discord here. You guys must have been following some of these guys. Oh my God, look at this absolute creme de la creme. This guy, Brewberry. My God, you were absolutely crushing the charts, bro. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. Kyle, absolutely crushing the charts. Thank you. Oh, who is that? Is that LBC in the place to be? Boom, boom. Absolutely crushing the charts. Thank you. Schaefer, thank you. And to all of you, thank you. Okay, gratitude is an attitude, but it is also an action word. So make sure you say thank you to the people who, we come on here, we try to grow and do the YouTube thing, but at the heart of hearts, I'm a trader trying to help you guys trade. And without this community and without you guys, we want to work together, right? We want to have that edge. That's what this community is really about. It's about like-minded people, kind people, growing together, learning together, working together to develop an edge over these markets and to crush it, right? To crush it. And we've been doing pretty amazing so far. I think as a community, we have crushed it. So 2 trades today that, I had to dip my toes, guys. I had to dip my toes, okay? I had to. So I took the long from here, and I got out early like a little, I think I was a little, okay? I was doing a crypto pollo. I was a little scared, because I haven't pressed buy or sell in a long time. So I was doing the chicken this morning, Oh, and then I just longed right now. Got out in profit, stop loss at break even. I'm stopped out now. Okay, so I've taken 2 trades today. I've made like 30%, and you know what? They're both winning trades. How can I complain? Given in advance, all that stuff. Told you when I got out. blah, 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 blah. And that's how we roll, right? That's how we roll. Because it's great to be back, man. It's great to be back. I hope you guys are all well. BC Port Corp, good to see you here. Lunar Beaches, Jeanette, Lloyd Roger, Food Forest, Nick Musgrave. My God. Thank you guys all for being here. Thank you. Tesla Man, all of you in here. Scott. So, if you wouldn't mind, help me out. Throw some altcoins down below. And I'm going to ask one of my mods if they would please happily help me with counting up your favorite altcoins, because we got a lot to cover here on the Bitcoin price action, okay? A lot to cover here. Let's get rid of some of these things here. And we got a lot to go over because we got to make sure that we're up to date. Not only are we up to date, but we're all caught up. You know, me and you, we got to catch up, you know? We got to go. Got to go. Thank you, Nick, my man. I mean, I love you, bro. I love all of you. But let's get rid of these trend lines, okay? So what's going on with Bitcoin, right? We're on the monthly, baby. Let's go. So happy June, guys. Happy June. May is done. Can you believe how fast this is going? I'm going to be a dad. I'm going to be a dad in September, okay? Are we doing it? Are we doing it? I think we're doing it. All right. Here's the joke of the day. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I got to start checking these off. Where's my pen? Okay, we're on number 4. So we've done all of these. Red marker makes you feel stupid. It's important, especially on your trading journal. You get the red marker out and you'd be like, this is important, okay? Okay, guys. What does a spy wear on its feet? Sneakers. Oh, man. That's a doozy. Oh, man. Wow. Okay. Well, that's very, very sneaky. Oh, man. So, going over to our monthly chart. Okay, so what do we see, right? I mean, parabolic upwards trend line. Yes, the red candle rejection here in April, and then a push back. So this looks good in my opinion. This looks good. So we always want to check these things, make sure that we are all in line here. Yes, we are very overbought on our oscillator flattening out right here, but the money is green, or the money is non-existent right now. Okay. Maybe we have to go to our other Bitcoin chart for the monthly. Let's do that. Let's be more accurate, Alex O Crypto. Come on. Okay, so the money is green on our monthly here. We are flattening out on VWAP, so we could be pushing back up, right? This is looking pretty good in my opinion, okay? A little bit overbought, but nothing like this one over here, right? Nothing like this one over here. If anything, we are just getting started, okay? Look at this, okay? We got some bull runs in here. So making sure that we are checking our monthly on our parabolic upwards trend line here. However you want to draw it, but we seem to still be in this parabolic upwards trend line. Very nice, okay? Very nice. So we got to make sure that we're staying up to date with all these long-term things, right? Let's go over to our weekly. We just had our weekly candle print. So our weekly candle print, see, this is good for me because I get to catch up with you guys. I did a little bit this morning, but I knew I was going to get into the more of the minutia with you guys today. So it's always great. Good to see you, Wanderer. Hope you're doing well. My God, so many good people in here, man. So many good people. Good to see you all. So looking at this, right? We have a very indecisive candle last week. So if you guys did some good trading last week, right on. That's awesome. because it doesn't look like it was a very easy week, okay? It looks like it was a very choppy week, in my opinion. So if you guys a lot of you guys said you had some, oh, thank you there, Nick Musgrave. My man, I've pinned it. Thank you very much, man. Thank you, I appreciate it. Look at this guy, Mark Dutch. Guess who's back again. Good to see you, Mark Dutch, man. The Dutchiest of them all. Let's see some clogs in the chat, man. Oh, man. So, overall, very good. If you guys did well last week, great job, man. I'm very proud of every single one of you. I know you guys were in good hands, okay? I knew you guys were in good hands, and hopefully we can continue this beautiful money-making spree that the Otter Gang is typically on, okay? So, you know, we're managing risk well, which is important. We're being patient, which is important. And we're letting the trades come to us, and we're setting them traps, okay? I hope some of the videos that I did pre-record for you guys last week, I hope some of them helped you guys out. I think I did a decent job on some of them. And hopefully they clarified some things that we go over here typically on the show, okay? So I did pre-make all those videos for you guys. And I am looking to do a little bit more of that, okay? So hopefully those videos helped you guys out. But right now I'm trying to figure out whether to do the morning update video or do some more like evergreen teaching videos which have some longevity, okay? I plan on updating you guys more in the Discord rather than with an update video. I feel like we can talk in the Discord. So I'm still kind of figuring that out. We'll work towards that, but nonetheless, I am available in the mornings in the Discord. If you have any questions, you need me to look at anything, I would gladly do that for you, okay? We can always jump into a video chat or whatever it is on the Discord. We'll jump into, the stage over here. And we can all have a nice little chat and figure out what you're looking at and what the game plan would be if I was to trade at it. Obviously, not financial advice, but look at Farmer. Bravo, man. Bravo, man. Hope you're doing. Take profits. Don't forget. Never go broke. Taking profits. Anyways, good job, Farmer. So all of that, I think we've covered our basis. Now let's get into the 3-day. So we were talking about 3-day being pumpy within last week Thursday, okay? So this was our Thursday last week, and that's where we were aiming for a possible bullish continuation, right? And that was way back here, May 18th. Back in after we got this pump, we were looking for a consolidation and then a push up on Thursday on the 3-day. We were looking for curvature, bouncing off the 0 line on our market cipher, which has happened. Okay, so we are getting that bounce off the 0 line. We are looking for money to ramp back up and the continuation of the momentum wave. Okay, these are things that we are looking for. Positive posturing on our stochastics and continuation seems to be imminent on our 3-day time frame. Okay, so this is looking generally good in my opinion, right? We look at the weekly market cipher. Yeah, a little bit of a head and shoulders. Yeah, we're aware of that. We do have a green dot, and we're looking for the same weekly bounce here on our VWAP, okay? Remember, in that market cipher video, I said on the higher term time frames, we're looking mostly at the VWAP to be our leading indicator. On the short term time frames, we're looking at the money flow because of the oscillation difference. When we have quick oscillation here, medium oscillation on our momentum waves, and then the long oscillation on our money flow, right? So we want to take the short oscillations on the higher term time frames, following the money, of course, and then on the shorter term time frames, we want to be looking at the money flow, giving us more of the trend and the way it works, okay? So something to be very aware of. So overall, looking good here. Simple flag out, right? Simple flag where we can see we've had that push up, the wave structure here and pushing onwards and upwards. Now, if you need some more wave structure stuff, I do look at Cohen's trading for a lot of Elliott waves. Also, Lunar Beaches Crypto, who's in the chat, has his own channel, which we shared out, is very good at this stuff too. Now, is this, I'm asking because I don't use waves a lot. Okay, so looking at this to me would be the next wave up, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And this one's always bigger than this one. Can you confirm, Lunar Beaches Crypto? Is this what we're looking for now? Because this to me looks like a wave 5. I'm not 100% sure. And then we could get an ABC correction and then a continuation. Lunar Beaches Crypto goes live early in the morning, ABC, and then continuation onwards and upwards. Okay, so this is something I'm keeping my eye on, right? I'm not much of a swing trader, but I'm definitely aware of market structure and Elliott wave theory a little bit, right? We got to be aware of these things. So I'm looking for a continuation upwards, challenging these highs, okay? We want to see a challenge of that 74,000. Will we get it this week? Well, we'll have to wait and find out. So we want to set ourselves up for positions. That's why I've been taking longs today, right? Because by taking longs, we can take profit and then we can let the rest of it ride, right? So that's kind of the idea right now. So we're definitely looking for that. Now, going over to the 2-day, today, the 2-day, we can see that we are getting a printing of a green dot. So we haven't confirmed this green dot. We will know on Wednesday if we do confirm this green dot, okay? Now, what is important about what's coming up this week? Well, I believe there was multiple notices about this week being hella interesting, okay? Whatever that means, hella interesting. That's just something we say nowadays. But tomorrow, okay, we did get our manufacturing today at 10, which dumped the market. It was a negative reading. It dumped the market swiftly. We can go over that 10 a.m. morning trade that we took, and then we got dumped on, okay? This happened at 10. But tomorrow, we are definitely looking for people to lose their jobs. This sounds so horrible. We want people to lose their jobs tomorrow, okay? Because if they lose their jobs, that means that they are typically going to cut rates, okay? Cut rates, which means pump for market, right? So hopefully everybody's losing their jobs tomorrow. The forecast is 8.4 million. Let's hope it comes in at 8. Who knows, okay? But let's hope it's a negative reading, because what they want is people to lose their dang jobs, okay? So maybe go quit your job tomorrow so the reading is better for all of us. That's not financial advice, okay? So we have jobs. We have interest rate decision in Canada, which they're expected to cut, which is interesting. So a lot of countries are starting to cut now, and trust me, Canada is not in good shape, okay? And then we have a whole bunch of other things coming this week that we will prepare for on a daily basis, okay? And that's just something that we're definitely prepared for, okay? We got to be prepared. A prepared trader is a profitable trader. A patience trader is a profitable trader. Poor planning promotes piss poor performance. How many P's do you want from me, okay? So that's what we're looking at for tomorrow, okay? Oh, so the 2-day looks nice, okay? As we get into these time frames, the 2-day VWAP crossover to the upside, printing of a green dot, so it isn't confirmed yet, but we are looking for that confirmation. Beautiful posturing on our stochastics, holding the 0 line, okay? So much bullish looking trends, okay? This is looking good nonetheless, okay? Good to see you, French Toaster. Missing Otter. I missed you too, man. Maybe you missed me, maybe you didn't, but we're definitely here preparing for all the goods, okay? So, 2-day looking pretty nice. Daily looking pretty nice, okay? So, printing of the green dot. Okay, we want to see the confirmation of this green dot. That means we need another candle coming in later this evening in about 4 hours and 38 minutes. But by the looks of this candle right now, pretty bullish, okay? We look over to the right here and we can see that everything is somewhat up. Today we got that rejection at 10 a.m. this morning, which brought markets down. Otherwise, I do believe we would have continued to pump, okay? So being prepared, right? But nonetheless, everything else is looking pretty good as well. Okay, trying to push onwards and upwards, creating that bullish move, breaking out of this downwards wedge. Now, looking at this objectively, now I do share out my levels with you guys every morning. They haven't changed; they're still the same. So you can go over to our Discord if you're new here and go and get those guys. Look at all these otters in the chat, man. I missed you guys. Holy smokes, man. I'm going to throw some otters, too. I haven't been able to throw the otter in the dang chat for a while, too, man. So it's good to see you all. So looking at this objectively, okay? Otter gang. We are starting to put in quite a bunch of volume up top here, okay? Quite a bunch of volume. What does that mean? That means we are building some sort of support, in my opinion. So we are preparing for this long, right? The continuation of this long up to the highs. We are putting in a lot of volume within this area here, right? You can see here, we have this big point of control here, right? Right around 67,000. The first shelf we really put in, right? When we pumped up here, we put in this shelf chopping around here. We lost that support. We retested it. We dropped down. Okay, bull divs. We gave the beautiful 56,650 level. Okay, something I will be proud of, and I will continue to shout it, but we gave 650 on the live stream. And then looking at this continuation, pushing onwards and upwards, looking for this to finish off here. But we're putting in a shelf of volume, okay? So this is very, very crucial, right? Pulling up some of the liquidity zones. So clearly we have liquidity that does lie above us, right? So the short squeeze is coming. You can see all the liquidations up here. I mean, if someone's holding a short from up at these levels, they need to chill out and close their damn short and profit, okay? They've been enjoying this whole ride down. Hopefully they took profits down here. But we're coming for you. We're going to pump on your ass. So be ready, okay? Be ready. Nonetheless, but we are aware of, like, where is the liquidity down below us, right? And clearly it's down here around 57,000. Now, do I see us coming down to 57,000? No, I don't, okay? For me right now, the key areas for me are as follows. The lowest I see is coming right now is back down to 64,700. Okay, that's the lowest I really see us coming for now. Okay, that would mean that we would lose some sort of trend here, break down, right? Doesn't mean we can't pump up, have our correction, and then go, right? But it is something to be aware of. Now, this does align quite nicely with our volume as well. So you can see there's a nice shelf of volume here, which is kind of like our big first shelf of volume that we put in when we were trading down here, right? So if we come back, retest that before heading up, sweet, okay? But right now we want to see holding of the point of control here, right around 67,700, and the continuation upwards, okay? We're looking to come back, and we have hit the value area high, actually perfectly today. But nonetheless, we are looking to get out of that and challenge some of the liquidity above us. Okay, we want to get above this liquidity and hopefully take control fully as the bulls push price onwards and upwards. But it's a good sign to see that we've pushed up and we have created a shelf of volume here. Okay, how about that Caspa finally making moves? Yeah, it's great. I was looking at Caspa earlier. We can take a look at that maybe at the end of the show. Yeah, we got Arrow, Sol, Injective, XRP, Gala, JTO, and Keiko, Cake, something like that. But we can definitely take a look at Caspa at the end of the show for sure. My man, Caspa's getting the move. So looking for the continuation upwards, okay? Looking for that beautiful continuation. Now the daily looks bullish. Going over to our 12-hour. We're going to pull up some trend lines here. Now you can see today, or on Sunday, we actually perfectly respected this upwards momentum trend line here, where we bounced quite nicely and we have continued to push upwards. Now the 12, in my opinion, has a lot of room to the upside. As we get into the shorter term time frames, it appears to be as though they are looking to slow down a little bit, create a little bit of bearish divergence. So we want to be cautious these next coming days. We want to see people lose their jobs is what we really want to see, okay? Bullish as, okay, people are just happy the Otterman's home, and people are bullish as F, okay? Let's see how bullish the fear and greed index is, because you got to always make sure that we're keeping up to date here. 73, you greedy bastards. Oh, man. 73 fear and greed index. That's interesting. Okay. So what can you see from this is that, yes, we're holding these trend lines. Let's get rid of this one. We can say that we are breaking out of this one here, pulling this down here, looking for that breakout retest kind of deal. For me, it's definitely something to be prepared for. Okay. It's something to be prepared for if we lose 67.7. Okay. That was our key level that we just identified. Coming through with our fixed range volume profile here, point of control, 67.7. Okay, so we want to see that being held. We do have a little bit of support at 67,000. So this is going to be the kind of make or break zone for us to hold in order to continue on our way up. Okay, this is just macro looking at the bigger picture, right? So y'all are way too bullish. Yeah, it's got to be said. You got to think about where is maximum pain, right? Maximum pain, in my opinion, is still to the upside. Okay, still to the upside. And then correcting on people, getting them very scared. Okay, so you get that maximum pain, grabbing the liquidity up top here, but then really just dumping on people's heads. And creating that all over again fear. Like, give them some hope and then tear it all away, right? So something to be cautious about. When this happens, okay, something's going to happen, and you're going to get this candle that you think is a God candle. And you're going to be like, woo, press long. And then it's going to come back and hurt you. Okay? I've been there before. I tried shorting Gala in the bear market. This is what we prepare for, okay? Is that we don't just chase price. We set the trap, we get in a position, and we look to take profits along the way. Making profits along the way and setting the trap and being prepared is going to be key. So don't chase this thing if it just starts to rip. Okay? That's what I just want to warn you about. Retail are about to get wrecked again trading this breakout. Says Darren. There it is. Darren does things. What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Thank you for being part of the gang, man. Always helping out this morning. That was an interesting situation this morning. We had to pump and dump right into the news. So it was a difficult call this morning, but we took the trade and we managed to get out profitably. So that's the key, is that, we protected our risk. We managed our risk. We managed our trade, and we looked for, I got out early, but nonetheless, I protected myself from a lot of downside. So I'm okay with that, right? I'm okay with that. So let's continue here. So looking at this 4 hour, we got the push-up continuation here. Overextended right now. Okay, we're looking for the curling down. Like I said, we're getting a little bit overbought right now, so we're looking for the cooling down and the sideways action on Bitcoin. You can see the 3 hour, the 2 hour, and the 1 hour are all cooling off, okay? Now, on the 1 hour here, we can see that we do have very thick money flow, and our VWAP is below the zero line, suggesting that we can eventually come back up and cross over. So this is a good kind of setup for the short term kind of trades when we're looking for a continuation. Now, in the Discord, we were looking at a continuation pump from this area here. Okay, so we're going to go over the trades that we took today, and then we're going to go into the altcoins. I hope you guys have a good understanding of what we're looking for the continuation here. on our 12-hour, on our 8-hour, looking bullish, but nonetheless cooling off and resetting, hopefully into jobs tomorrow. And that's what I'll be looking for. Okay? Why is my Discord so expensive? Says Dave Digital. I know, man. I should really start paying you guys to be part of it because it's free. Sign up to the Discord. I'll give you 5 USDT or something. Oh, man. Giver's game, baby. Let's go. That's the way. That's the way. Oh, man. So, the trades we took today. Kyle's gone live?
You're at Alexo Crypto's live. I feel kind of crappy doing it at the same time as him, but this was the only window that I got.
He feels crappy.
Get as much done as I can for the courses.
Hey, man.
But I'm glad you're watching us both. That's pretty cool.
What's this?
We're
gonna give him shit now.
Gala. Yeah, we can.
Let's give him shit.
Is there any more questions about Algorand, or you think this is
Let's give him some money.
enough here?
Let's give him some money.
Yeah, this is the momentum I would follow. I would prefer, trying to do a momentum-based trade, which I would normally try to do if it was like more of a center of the range, but we're getting squeezed right now, so
We got him.
gotta be a little more cautious. What is this? Oh, Alex Crypto. What's up, man? We weren't just talking about you at all.
Oh, man. I'm
Okay,
hiding my banking
so
information if you're wondering what we're doing.
The next request.
Let's pay
So
Kyle.
Look at Gala.
Because Kyle does everything for
one, right?
free
Not missing
for
anywhere?
our community. And we love Kyle.
Band and Caspa. Band, Caspa.
So here we are.
All right, let's do Band first.
And then we're going to raid him with otters.
Band.
All right.
When's the last time we done T on Band?
I hope he doesn't copyright me.
I guess it was a while.
Do we
ago.
want to raid him with otters? Come on, we're coming back on a Monday. We're doing the altcoins and we're
it's
doing the
definitely a while
Bitcoin trade setups and the altcoins next.
We're
But we gotta raid Kyle here.
still monitoring this area.
We're streaming his stream.
And
If you want to stay with him, you
Discount
can.
for
I
resistance.
understand.
yeah,
But we can definitely let's utterly
our key
fantastically
levels.
spam him.
see the accumulation happening with Band.
Let's do it.
But it's an odd spot considering the position we are in the market. So let me just get rid of this noise.
We love Kyle. Kyle gives
read
free
the
trade
chart a
setups
bit.
in our Discord, man. And we can have 2 windows open. We can support both guys.
Pull the fixed range from this
Look, he's so
area that we're
focused, eh?
consolidating in.
He's so focused.
See our key levels.
Look
And
at him. I love this guy, man. He's Canadian too. Did you know that?
let's leave that back
In his
on.
badass Batman
High
cave
interest
looking
area.
thing. So focused.
All right, and we got
So
downtrend
focused.
resistance here.
Wonder when he's gonna check. He hasn't checked the chat yet. Let's keep spamming him. I don't mind if people.
We're really building a large macro structure.
This is too good, man.
53 days. We had good momentum here. Then
He's
it
so
failed.
focused, man. He's so focused. Come on, Kyle. Check the chat, man.
Holy otters, man. Smash them likes, bro. Thanks, man. I'm guessing you're done your live stream. Or you're just doing this at the same time just to be a savage. You got the otter gang in here.
We're streaming you, Kyle. We're streaming you.
Okay. All right. So Band, guys. Sorry, I got distracted there. So Band, we double bottomed.
All right,
here.
we
We're
love you,
trying to
Kyle.
Consolidate above the neck.
We love you, bro. Thank you for all you do. Thank you guys for supporting. We lost like 10 viewers, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. He's focused, you know. We're just here to do your shit coins and hang out. Retro Mike Tech, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. The vacay was incredible, man. Played a lot of golf, shot some good golf. Great vacation. Okay, me and Mrs. Otter, Amy with baby. She's heavily pregnant now. And we're very grateful. You know, happy wife, happy life. Out in the mountains. My partner in crime. You know what I mean? So really got to enjoy golf, mountains, all that good stuff. You know, I try to share my life with you guys as best as I can. We're due in September. So definitely looking forward to that. We're getting married in August. It was planned. It was all planned, okay? It was all planned, but it was a wonderful vacation, okay? So the 4, the 3, and the 2 are looking a little bit overextended, okay? Like I said. However, the reset of this short-term time frames will actually allow the 8 and the 12 to kind of push into tomorrow, creating some bullish momentum. So that's what I'm looking for into tomorrow, into the jobs, and into us being able to trade it. Now, short-term, 24 was looking very bullish, money coming in, trigger wave, didn't get the play that we were looking for, stopped out in profits, okay? So we just got knocked out of that trade. Now, it appears to be that we are coming up on this lower trend line here, looking for the continuation. Oops, wrong button. So we're looking for the continuation to the upside from here. Let's see if this support does hold. Okay, we have broken out of this. We took the long from here. Now we are putting in a trend line coming up this way, looking for this momentum to hold and push onwards and upwards. Do we get it? We'll have to wait and find out. We know that volatility is definitely lowering down because it's the end of the day. So for me right now, I'm out of the trades. I take profit twice, and we are definitely going to jump into your guys' favorite altcoins right after this beautiful song. Because, you know, we had to get into the song because it's been too long, guys. So thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. If you're new here, subscribe, join us in the free Discord, all that good stuff. Good to be home. Good to be back with you guys. Making money on a daily basis. Free trade setups, free Discord, all that good stuff. Traders, helping traders, growing together. That's what it's all about here at Alex of Crypto. We missed you. You didn't miss me, Wick. Don't lie, effing guy. You definitely did. I missed you, bro. Good to see you, Mr. Wick 589. Much love to you. Let's jump into your favorite altcoins. We got Arrow, Sol, Injective, XRP, Gala, JTO, and KEKC, and maybe a little bit of
What you know about
Caspa at the end.
Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock.
Aerodrome.
I'm putting the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
All right.
Alex O, crypto.
So going over to Aerodrome, we had our big buy level here. So that's still up for grabs if you want, but definitely looking for the continuation here. Is it me or is Alex O on top of the hair game, obsessed with them locks. Crypto Boyo, my man. God bless you, bro. We were just talking about you at the beginning of the stream, my man. We were doing the chicken, bro. I think I do a pretty good chicken. Good to see you, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for always supporting this channel, my man. You know we appreciate you here. The favorite Bitcoin chicken, man, with the super chicken. Okay? Hope you're doing well, bro, and thank you. And if you are new here, Billy Goat Tales, 9 p.m. Tuesday nights. Be there or be square. We'll shill the hell out of it tomorrow. Don't worry. We always do. Thank you, Crypto Pollo, for supporting the channel, though. So we have marked out a key level, a point of control that we are currently bouncing off right now. Okay, so can this level hold? So let's bring up this box to where we are right now. Let's kind of finagle it so that it is within our kind of buy zone. So we're going to go from swing low to swing high. Look at that golden pocket area. So we currently have bounced from here once before, but it wasn't our golden pocket from before. It was only, our 0.5. So this one is definitely our golden pocket. Macro look. Downwards trend line rolling over. So what do we look for when something is rolling over? First of all, we don't short it. We don't chase price. Second of all, we are looking for a bounce at key levels of support and resistance. Well, clearly, we have marked those out for you guys. So we do have this key level that we are bouncing from right as we speak. We are looking for either a bounce, higher highs and higher lows, a swing failure pattern with a bullish divergence, right? Exhaustion wicks, trying to push down and failing to do so, creating higher highs and higher lows on our way back up. Okay, so these are multiple things that we look for within these areas. Now we have two areas. We have one down below here, right around 103, which is pretty much psychological. We have a dollar underneath there. So we want to see that kind of dollar zone hold. And then arrow here, we have this 109 area that we're bouncing from currently, right? Currently. Now we can track the downwards momentum this way as well. So we'll go from here down to here. And we'll look to see this break and then push to the upside. But right now, it's clearly rolling over. Going over to our 4-hour market cipher, you can see how extremely oversold market cipher is with money coming out dramatically. Okay, so we really want to see this bottom, anchor trigger wave, continuation to the upside. Okay, until then, patience will prevail, right? Patience will prevail where you're looking for this continuation this way, money coming back in. But right now, you want to see the bounce and you want to see this area hold, okay? Currently at the point of control at 109, you can possibly be looking for a long on arrow if this holds, giving yourself a little bit of wiggle room, okay? Arrow does typically chop, okay? You can look at the price action, okay? Chop, 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 dump. Chop, 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 pump. Chop, dump, chop, chop, chop. Okay, so careful with this. Give yourself a little bit of playroom on your stop loss. Use less margin and less leverage for something like this. You want to be able to have that kind of, that chop percentage, whatever it is here, about 1.5%. So whatever your normal stop loss is, let's say you're putting your stop loss under the wicks over here. You want to go to those wicks, and then you want to add 1.5%. Okay? Put a horizontal. That's where you want your stop loss, okay? Because you want to account for the wiggle room, okay? You want to account for getting shaken out of your trade, especially in like a swing trade, okay? So that's something that you definitely want to be prepared for with anything that is very choppy, like arrow is currently right now, okay? So look for this to hold. If you fall down below there, that 103 area, and then you're targeting, trying to get back above this 121, holding it as support, and continuing your work upwards. My only concern is if you do lose this upwards trend line and you start to take out these lows here, you could be looking for a continuation down. Okay, so cautious on the break of structure here on Aerodrome in the medium term, because if you do push down here, that would change this upwards trend into more of a downwards or a correction and then a continuation downwards. So be very cautious about breaking these lows. Okay, you want to see structure pushing up from here and creating higher highs and higher lows. Let's go over to Solana, Bobana. Whew. TRD Farmer, are you still in this trade, bro? I saw you get long from over here. My man, good to see you. Taking the long. Now, Solana's in this beautiful, beautiful little triangle here, looking for that breakout, right? One thing we notice about Solana definitely is that we have like two very distinct areas that we're trading, here and here, right? You can see here and here. Two ranges, right? So we have broken out of this range right now, and we are trying to get above this area here, right around 168. So we're trying, we pushed out of this range here, and we're trying to hold above here. Okay, right now you're bottoming out, and hopefully you can push onwards and upwards. Okay, Solana's looking as though it has a bit of legs. Got the beautiful momentum wave here pushing out. So for me, it would be about the breakout, retest, and continuation for Solana. Okay, and this would look something like this, where you're getting that anchor trigger wave, market cipher basic strategy setup, okay, where you're looking for money to come back in, which it is, momentum wave to anchor trigger wave, and that continuation onwards and upwards. Now, if we do get above there, we look for this, right? And then we look to fire off along from here, okay, coming back up, grabbing the liquidity above us, most likely up here at the order block from people getting short, okay? So that's what I'd be looking for on Solana. Short-term time frame, very nice move out of here. You want to see it create a higher high, maybe retest, come back out, push above, and get above that $168 level. That's going to act as key level of resistance, okay? When my girl is rolling over, I usually look for a peach. Smoke, 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 says Dave Digital. Well, okay. Missed you at consensus, says Dave Digital. Where were you, Mr. Pollo? Not at consensus. Have you clicked the like button, says Alexandra G. Much love to you, Alexandra G. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day and had a wonderful week last week. We missed you. I missed you. And I appreciate you. So thank you for supporting the channel. So Solana, looking for that breakout and continuation on Solana. Trying to get back up within that 190 to 169, 68 range, okay? Hopefully that continues to push. Let's go over to my favorite Injective. Don't marry your bags, but I love Injective. I can't help it. I love Injective, okay? Injective money is coming back in. So initially, very good sign, okay? Injective money coming back in. You can see the bullish momentum continuing its work upwards here, getting up to this flag here, this bull flag, pushing up, creating that higher high. Remember I said, we're going to have lots of time for profits once we create a higher high. So you can see this high is higher than these highs in here. So now we want to see this and then this, okay? That's what we want to see. Will we get it? We'll have to wait and find out, okay? But money is coming back in. We got an anchor, trigger wave, hidden bullish divergence to the upside here on Market Cipher. 12-hour, a little bit overextended, okay? So something to be cautious about is that we could get a rejection here, which would still remain bullish, okay? We could get a rejection back down here, and then the continuation, then the breakout, looking to create momentum to the upside, okay? We have a little bit of a downwards trend line here. So another trade setup would be to break out of here and then the continuation upwards, okay? That's something to definitely be cautious about, but I am very long-term bullish on Injective, okay? If you want to talk Injective, hit me up. We can talk all day. I love it. Marry your bags. Maybe my most married bag I have, okay? I just be accumulating this thing. So looking for that continuation. Very blocky right now. Not very smooth price action that you could see in here. So right now I would look for a return back down to 24.7 and then the continuation upwards. retesting this high after a breakout, right? So that's a typical trade setup. You break out, you retest, you continue, right? And we can look for that on the trend line. We can look for it over here, or we look to trickle down in a downwards trend line here, come down, create some bullish divergence at the trend line down here, and then continue to push out of this kind of bearish consolidation that we've been going through all the way back since we dropped down in April. Okay? DJ Johnny, late again. What's going on, Johnny? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Clay the Great's in here too. What's up, everybody? Love to see my crypto fam active. What's good, Alex? Oh yeah, man. Just got back from vacation, man. Good to see you guys, man. It's been a week, man. It's been a week. So we're back. It's good to see you guys, man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So Injective, we're looking for that long-term play. Hopefully continuation to the upside. Now, Injective needs to get above $30. Okay, that's the level right here. $30. Injective, money coming back in, lots of bullish momentum pushing onwards and upwards, as you can see right here. Would like to see that continue to push in the near future here, pushing outwards and getting up to challenge that $30 level of resistance, okay? Let's go over to your guys' favorite stablecoin. I wonder, does Seymour Liddy just come in here and ask me to do XRP all the time? Oh man, oh man, oh man. So looking at XRP, we had the pump, we had the dump, we had the pump, we've had the dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, boom, 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 boom. XRP gets more interesting the further you zoom out. So XRP on the 3-month here looks like XRP. Stablecoin, I thought you were talking about ADA. Yeah, ADA's I'm very tempted to sell my Cardano bags. Let's just put it that way. I mean, I got 22-cent ADA. It's doubled. And it's really, really shockingly shite. XRP, continuation upwards, making higher highs and higher lows. Looking to break out of that 54-cent level. We have a downwards trend line here. Pulled from the top, looking to break out of that. Once we break out of that, you can look for the breakout retest. However, it's XRP. So be cautiously optimistic here. The daily looks pretty bullish. VWAP coming up to the 0 line, looking for the continuation. 4-hour time frame here. Anchor wave. Okay, a little bit of a cool off. I would expect this to, you can see here, we got a little trigger downwards, right? So I would look for this to come back down. Anchor trigger wave with hopefully money coming into the market. I'm on the cusp too, Alex. Yeah, I mean, you go over to ADA. I mean, I don't mean to get sidetracked, but like when you feel like a god because you bought it here, okay? I felt like Jesus, okay? I felt like Jesus buying it here. And then you're like, why didn't I just buy Solana? Right? 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 I bought AVAX, ADA, and Matic here. And I'm like, what the was I doing, man? Great buy, horrible tokens. Said about Solana, whatever else, anything else. Could have bought Pepe would have been really good, actually. Rune, yeah, that's another good one. Render, I bought Render sub $4, so I am still proud. My Render buy was pretty good, okay? But anything, you know, it goes to show you can't be you can be good at buying lows, but yeah, it doesn't mean you're necessarily going to buy the right things, right? So going back over to XRP. Okay, XRP, we're looking for that continuation breakout, right? That's pretty much it. I don't know, they had some news that came out today about XRP. What was it? XRP doing? XRP, looking. Something about releasing tokens. Anyways, I don't know. It just doesn't seem like it's gonna pan out. You know what I mean? So pretty stable. So we look for the breakout continuation. Getting above this 57 cents is going to be critical. Okay, that's your kind of line in the sand to the higher prices. Right now, consolidating sideways. Sell the lows or buy the lows, sell the highs. Right? If you're trading this, it's still a decent range, right? Like if you look at this, you got like a 10% range. So longing and shorting something like this can be beneficial, right? If that's what you're looking to do. Like this is tradable, definitely tradable. Very choppy and slow, but tradable. So you're looking for the breakout, holding of 52 cents, getting above this trend line here and breaking out, getting up to 54 cents, giving it a little bit of challenge, okay? If you lose this level, you got this nice little trend line below here. They are looking to hold, coming back, probably liquidity grab down below here, right? So you would look for something like this, right? And then the pop up, bullish divergence, continuation, breakout, and trying to get above that 54 cent. But as you can see, just choppy, not very, very nice looking, okay? I will continue to hold my XRP. It will rip last. I hope for you guys. Of course, I want you guys to make a lot of money this bull run. Up or down, side to side, we will continue to trade and make money in this market nonetheless, okay? Let's go over to my least favorite token. You guys would do this to me on my first day back. Be like, okay, do Gala. Let's see him do Gala because he hates Gala. Oh, man. Gala. If you know why I hate Gala, it's because I shorted it in the bear market and I lost a lot of money. Okay? It was a bad idea. Don't F with Gala. When it's going, let it go. Okay? Gala, very choppy. Consolidation within this range, okay? Let's pull. Okay, value area high, oversold area. So yeah, we're getting up to our sell level, right? Unless we can claim this area here, which is around 46 cents, I believe. Yeah, 46 cents. Claim it as support. We're looking to come back down to the lows, right? Come back down to the lows. Yeah, that's pretty much what I see. You can see that we have had an aggressive push up here. So my idea would be is that we come back and grab, liquidity down below here. Yeah. I would be looking for it to come back down to here. That would be my buy zone, right? You have some order blocks down below, but I think these ones are okay right now. I would look for the continuation after retracing here. Where's our point of control? Let's pull that over here. Yeah, it's right within the zone. So you have a big volume node here. Let's swing this one up here. If we do manage to hold this as support, okay, we get above here. We're looking to get up to about 5 cents, okay? 5 cents would be next. And you can see that, you had that rip. That 5 cents is going to be that key level for you to get above. Otherwise, if you're not getting above 5 cents, you're literally consolidating within this range here until proven otherwise, right? So where we're at right now, 46 cents, you're shorting it. Anything sub 40 cents, 41 cents, you're looking to long it, right? And that's a very nice range, right? Ranging price action can be your friend, okay? You can take advantage of it. However, we are looking for a push on Bitcoin, so that's something to take into account when looking for shorts, right? We might want to stay away from shorts when we're looking for Bitcoin to pump, which we are, so let's be patient. Let's wait for maybe a correction down and then a rip onwards and upwards, okay? Let's go over to JTO. JTO. GTO. JTO. UTO. ITO. JTO. Do I have a chart that I've done TA on here? See, I got to add these. Probably Bybit. There it is. There it is. Okay. Wow. Look at that support. That's why I always say, guys, put down, like, screenshot this, add these levels. Look at this. Like, you're in, look at the buy zone. I just drag over the buy zone. It works. Maybe not perfectly when, but it works. Support and resistance, right? Key levels coming down. Anytime you would have bought around this area, you would have been making money. So with this, you need to hold this. $3.37. Okay, that's going to be the line in the sand here, really. You can see the volume, okay, but I can see the volume. I don't know if you guys can. So you got these pockets, right? So you got this big pocket up here that's holding us up, right? That's your big support level, right? Bear market support, right? And then you have your big resistance up here, right? That you haven't been able to get above. And then once you're above here, you're kind of free. So what we're looking for on JTO is higher highs and higher lows. Now, you have gotten a higher high recently, so this is a good sign. You are pushing up. Okay, you need to get above this high here, around $3.63. But nonetheless, it is looking stronger. Money is coming in. You got anchor waves here, so you're looking for a trigger wave. You can see VWAP is resetting here. So I would be looking for something like this for continuation with money coming in. Okay? Going over to our 1 hour. Yeah, very, very choppy. Very choppy. Looks like it's finding some support right now. Yeah, lost that one there. I wouldn't say it's finding support then. Let's pull a fib through here. Or pull a volume, fixed range volume profile. Yeah. Okay, so you have big resistance right here. It needs to get above $3.58 in order to continue upwards, right? That's what you get from that. So right now, a little bit of a cool off, which is fine. We got our buy level here, $3.60 or $3.36. Looking for that push above $3.58, okay? Once we get above here, right, and we start putting in some support on our volume node here, then we can look for the continuation. For now, we'd be patient, but anything like this, I would just expect chop until we get that momentum that we so desire, okay? Let's take a look at this CAC. What have you guys given me now? Am I supposed to be looking at this thing? KEKEC was me. Instead, can we look at Link? Yeah, absolutely. I would much rather look at Link, my friend. Thank you for being here, Daniel. Much love to you, bro. I appreciate it. So let's look at Link. Link is the consolidator, as we know, right? Consolidation situation. Ooh wee. Now, I'm hella bullish on Link. I don't think I have enough Link. What a beautiful breakout. So Link, consolidate, right? Push, consolidate, push. So where are we now? We're at a key level of consolidation, which is beautiful, So let's pull the fib, or let's pull our volume within this area here. Let's mark out some key levels of support and resistance matched up with volume, okay? So support and resistance right here. Volume node starts here. So let's mark it out there. We got support and resistance within here. Volume node starts there. So let's mark out that as well. Okay, and then we got our point of control here. Really starts developing volume right here. Okay, so let's go to our price action and let's identify where we're at. Okay, so where are we at? We were looking for the breakout, getting above 16 cents and holding it as support. So we pushed up, we held it as support, we continued to make higher highs and higher lows. Now we are flipping our key level of support, which is at 1758. Okay, so must hold 1758. If we don't hold, we are returning back down to probably $16. Okay, key levels in front of us. Look, we didn't even look at the price action here. We just marked out over there and look at how perfect that level was respected. Okay, so we look for this to hold as support. We're looking to get long down here. Okay, anchor wave coming in right now. Bullish divergence. Okay, higher highs, lower lows on our oscillator, which is a good sign. And we look for that continuation to push. Okay, where can we target? Well, for me right now, you're targeting at least up to this point of control. Okay, so you pull this across, right? And this is at $20. So we can mark this out here as your NPOC. Text, please. And we can target to get back up to there. Okay, now I have adjusted this down ever so slightly, just because when we're looking to take profits and the volume node is right here, I wouldn't expect this to perfectly hit the point of control. I would look for it to hit the lower part of the volume node. Okay, so possible trade setup here on Link. I'll be looking for that, possibly myself, looking for this continuation to the upside. I think I'm buffering. Uh-oh. Am I losing you guys again? I am not receiving enough video. Can you guys still hear me? Oh, God. Okay. Well, audio's okay. Okay. I turned off my video. I think I have to change something within this. So we'll look for Link to continue to push onwards and upwards here and break out. Hello? Am I back? Are we good to go? I feel like I'm back. He's reanimating. Well, at least you guys can hear me. I was going to do Caspa and I was going to do last talk on Bitcoin, but clearly we do not have the bandwidth for this. So am I back now? No way. He's reanimating. No way.